Godot class. For this lesson, we have a simple goal, assuming that you've already seen how to set up your Godot. We're going to show up pretty much at the start of every single game what you should do. So let's create a new game. We can call it whatever we want. We'll call this one Game 3, and we'll launch the game. Because we have set up our editor from last time, we'll load up our editor layout, and it should look something like this. Now, here's what I want us to do. So at the beginning of every game, we need a world that our game exists in, and we're just going to call that the world. So that is going to be a 2D scene here. So we're going to click that, and that's going to lead us to this thing. Now, this is called a node. A node is a thing that exists in our game. And there's many different kinds of nodes, but this is a node 2D, which is just a very general node. That's going to work very well for what we're doing here. It basically just has a position. That's all we really need. And so we're going to two-finger click this, and it's going to bring up all of these options. So again, two-finger click, you click two fingers or you right-click, and we're going to rename this as world, capital W. So this is the kind of script we're using for this. And once we have that renamed as world, we have our first scene. This is the world scene. Everything is going to go into our world scene, and we want to save the world scene. So hit Command S or Control S, or you can two-finger click and do save branch as scene. But in this case, we're just going to save it. So Command S, and we need to save it somewhere. So we're going to make a new folder. So again, I'm going to two-finger click. I'm going to make a new folder, and I'm going to name this folder Scenes. All of our scenes are going to be saved in this folder. Notice again that I did not capitalize this. This is a lowercase script here. And then we're going to make another one, and we're going to call this world. So our world scene is going to be saved in our world folder. So we notice over here, we have our main line for our game. We have all the scenes in our game, and we have the world. And then the world is saved in the world folder. This is how we want to make pretty much everything. When we make it, we're going to make it in the world. Then we're going to go and we're going to save it wherever it needs to go. So this is how we want to start every game. We're going to start our game. We're going to, in our editor, we're going to set up our editor layout based on what we did last time. And then we're going to just start by making a scene that's called world. And we're going to save it to start setting up our systems. Then we're going to start adding things directly into our world scene here, and then finding out where they go and figuring out how they work as we go along, just kind of based on what we want for that particular game. But that is the first thing we really want to do at the beginning of every game. So there you go. And I'll see you in the next video.